How to change Facebook profile link. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then log into your account. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page, and here scroll down to Settings and Privacy and click on it. Then click on Settings. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Account Center at the top. Then click on your profiles at the top. After that, select your Facebook account. In here, click on Username. Then simply change your username. As you can see, changing your username will also change your Facebook profile URL at facebook.com. Simply change your username and press on Done. After that, you'll be able to change Facebook profile link as well. This is how to change Facebook profile link. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.